This is Jim with Evolution Powersports, and today we're going to show how to install our new electronic Captain's Choice exhaust on a Maverick X3. So when you get the exhaust from us, it will include plug and play wiring harness. This actually goes up underneath the dash to the OEM auxiliary power. This plugs right in. This harness goes from the control box back to the actuator valve on the exhaust. That's also plug and play. Obviously your control box, and then two wireless key fobs. So we're going to show how this works in a minute. So we have our control box wired up on the bench here, and the way this works is you use your wireless key fob, which then operates the control valve. Now the way this exhaust works is your exhaust gases come through your catalytic converter or cat bypass, come through here, and with the exhaust valve closed, it forces the gases to go through the perforated tube here into the body of the muffler, okay, which quiets it down significantly. In fact, it's barely louder than stock with it closed, and then it comes out this outlet on the bottom. With the cutout valve open, now it's a straight pipe that comes straight through here, and so you get that awesome three-cylinder sound that the Maverick's known for. The other thing that I want to draw your attention to is the fact that we manufacture our exhausts in the US. They're not an off-the-shelf MagnaFlow or other brand muffler. These are actually manufactured in Arizona, and each one is custom for the vehicle. So rather than take, round cylinder exhaust like most other companies, we'll actually make the exhaust to fit each vehicle. Okay, you can see that our control box is mounted just above this cross member here. It's just Velcroed to the firewall. The only thing you want to be sure of is that the firewall's clean and that the plastic is warm. You don't want to do it in a cold garage. And then you'll route the control cable or the wiring harness back to the cutout valve right along the side of the machine here, all the way to the back. And there's a couple different ways you can route it. And then the power cable here just connects right to the factory auxiliary plug right underneath the dash. So literally the install takes 5 minutes to do this part. So you can see we have our control cable coming up from the front of the vehicle. We route it along this diagonal cross member and then over to the cutout valve. Once it's plugged in, you just zip tie up this heavy-duty cable, and you're good to go.